Hi, this is Jim Dingmans with MBM Corporation. Today we just got our 2604 crosscut shredder in. And I just want to make sure you're aware that it does come in two boxes. We have our shredder head that sits on top, and then we have a box for our cabinet. As you can tell, we've already taken the cabinet out, and then inside the cabinet we have liners, and then we also have an auto oiler setup. So basically this comes out of the box, and this holds your can of oil, and we put that on the side. And now I'm going to get the head out of the box and put it on the shredder bin. As we open up the box for the shredder head, we're just going to take off the stuffing, and note that the oil line and the electrical line is here in the back. You don't want to pinch it, and then we're just going to mount this on top of the cabinet. Also, since we've put the oil container on, we now have to connect the oil tube that comes out at the same place the electrical cord is. We've already got it plugged in, ready to go, but we need to open up the oil can and then just replace this so it's in there. Now we have power. We turn it on, and the first thing I want to do is I want to prime the oil so it can go on the shaft. I hit my reverse button, I hold it in place, and then you'll start seeing this yellow amber light, and if it's no oil, it'll be red. But now that it's been already primed, I'm good to go. Now that we have the shredder ready to shred, there's a sensor in the middle so it knows to take the paper. And I can continue to feed it. I can take a stack of up to 25 sheets of bond paper, put it in. You can see how hard it works. And the finished product is shredded paper. We thank you for watching this video on our 2604 crosscut shredder. And for any other questions that you may have on this or how to place an order for one, contact ProSource.